How do you know if you are a candidate for mesh integration and if mesh integration hair toppers would work for you or would it not? This question comes up all the time, so I would love to address that in this video. My name is Zoya for all of you guys who know me. Thank you and welcome back to my channel. For all the newbies, I am the hair loss and hair extension specialist in Dallas, and I do own a salon where we address all of these issues and questions and answers to our clients and for our clients who we get to see in person. So I want to address that in this video for you guys. There are several things that you need to know about mesh integration and if you are a good candidate for them or not. I personally start seeing many trends, and I do see that popping up in actually Google Trend, and it's a very known now and like again trendy topic on Google. I get to hear more people are hearing about them. If you're seeing it and you wonder if you are a right candidate, do not just follow trends. Another thing is if you are going to a hair loss center that they do a lot of bondable toppers, I would say don't just rely on their answers. Many of these hair loss clinics, not to just specifically name any of them, if they do bond your topper to your head, means they shave and they use adhesives, whether it would be liquid or tape, and they are bonding your toppers, they would tell you, no, it won't work. Why is because the system is completely different than what you're working with. The whole mesh integration system is for people who want to integrate their existing hair, whatever little or more that they have, into a piece that, or a hair topper that can cover this part or the top part of their hair and add extra thickness and volume without using a clip, temporary bonding, or temporary solutions. They would tell you no because half the time they don't know why, they don't know how it works, and they would tell you no because they don't know how to work with existing hair. They want your hair to be very little so they can use tape and adhesive. I was trained with that myself, but personally I don't like it, so I don't use a whole lot of bondable topper unless I have to. At the same time, a lot of people who get trained with mesh integration, they would kind of tell that it works for everybody. Not necessarily. You still have to, when you use a mesh integration and you integrate some of that hair topper with your own hair, or whether you're using a mesh piece or a lace piece on top and then you're placing a topper, or you're using a meshless system, it doesn't work for everybody as well. If you have a little bit more than little on your hair, I don't know how to explain that, but if you have more density on top of the head, or if you want to cover a very large area, mesh integration is not a good option because then you have a hard time hiding the hair, or flattening the hair down and having the mesh over it, because then you have a hard time washing and cleansing the system, and over time that can cause hair loss and hair thinning, further hair thinning to your hair. So make sure you are talking to a specialist who has access to many different systems, many different methods, and that's not all they know. If they are a hair extension specialist, that's the only method of a hair restoration or like mesh integration on top of it, that's the only thing they know, sometimes the answer can be biased. We have a lot more information. I have a lot more details about if you are a right candidate for mesh integration on several videos. I'm going to link a couple of them below, so watch them so you can get a little bit more informed about them, how they're done, and speak to a right specialist. If you have any questions or you have any comments, I would like for you to leave it below. I answer them personally. If not, tune in and subscribe to our channel so you can get more information about how to have beautiful, healthy hair and feel good about your hair. But until next time, I'll talk to you guys later and have a beautiful day.